Hello, welcome back. I hope that you're doing okay. We've just recently solved a problem in our house and we were very excited to find a great solution, and because it was a problem for us, I thought it may well have been a problem for you as well, which is probably why you're watching this video. So I thought I'd share our solution, and I'm just going to do a little unboxing today and then I'm going to do an installation video as well. So the problem was finding a system, a speaker system for our bathroom. So trying to find the best way to play music in our bathroom. Now, so far what we've been doing is using our Google Home Mini and basically plugging this outside our bathroom. There's various drawbacks with that. The sound isn't great on these, it's a bit tinny, the bass isn't great. We have our bathroom door shut, of course, to stop the moisture from spreading, so we can't hear that well through it. So we were looking at alternatives because we like to listen to music and the radio in the morning when we're getting ready, and we thought there must be something out there. Now, we didn't particularly want to go down the battery-powered route because realistically, you've got the faff of recharging the batteries. It just doesn't happen. So we were looking for something that we could run from electricity, but obviously doing that safely in a bathroom in a wet environment is a bit of a challenge. But we didn't give up, we kept searching and we came across this product here, which has just arrived. Now, I will say now, full disclaimer, we contacted Lithe Audio when we were doing our research and they very kindly agreed to send us a product on the good conditions that we made a video about it. Of course, they're happy for us to say whatever we want about this product. We don't have to say it's great if it's not, so we have no idea yet. We haven't even opened the box. But I'm going to show you what we've got, explain what you get as part of the system, and then I will show you how we put it all together and we can decide and you can decide whether or not it's worth the money. So some lovely packaging so far, which is what you kind of expect with this home smart home automation stuff. It always comes looking really nice, but let's have a look what's inside. So we've got a dispatch note, very useful. Oh, instructions, don't ever want to lose those. And this looks like so this is a speaker cutting guide. Oh, perfect. So basically the speaker is going to sit in the ceiling of the bathroom, and we will need to cut a hole in order to put that in. So this is your guide that helps you to do that. So I think that's a really handy, nicely thought out idea from them. And basically once you've fitted your speaker inside your ceiling, you've got this grille. This is what sits on the surface of the ceiling that conceals the speaker. So that's actually really smart. I really like the look of that. It's white, so it will fit in. It'll be nice and sleek, doesn't stand out too much. And let's have a look in here. So something else in there, we'll have a look at that in a sec. This is the speaker itself. So nicely protected, which is always good. Try not to scratch it or anything. Okay, so it's got a really nice design and feel to it. Lithe Audio, actually, as it happens, is a company that I hadn't come across before. They're apparently quite new to the speaker market, but they've already won awards. They've won an award for this product, I believe, and they specialise in audio. So I suppose that's one of the key points about this product, is that you're going to get really good sound quality as well, which is where we felt like we were compromising with the likes of these before, because they can be a bit tinny and the bass isn't great and so on. So not only will we have safe sound and music in our bathroom, but it'll also be of really good quality as well, which is key, of course. So something that's really nice about this, now we've got a white ceiling, so this is perfect for us, but this cover is magnetic. So once you've installed this in your ceiling, this will literally just clip on like that, and you can kind of see the magnetic power. But you can also paint this, so if you've got, I know that different colour ceilings are quite trendy now, you can paint this to match whatever your ceiling colour is. So that's really nice. It's also nice that it's magnetic because it means you don't have to have loads of screws. It's not really disruptive. It's actually going to be a pretty simple installation job using this template. Obviously getting into the ceiling is the more challenging part, but it's not going to be a really technical, difficult job. I've just taken the grill off the front, but what's really clever about this is when you go to install it, you've got these, basically all the fixings are built in. So you've got these here, and you just release these and the screws are there already, and that will basically then clamp into your plasterboard. But obviously you'll then have your grill back on the front of here, so you won't see any of those fixings. So I think that's a really nice part of the design as well. Let's put that to one side and have a look at what else is in the box. So we've got the power lead here, so that's going to give us a chance now to connect it up and turn it on and see if it works and see what the sound quality is like as well. And of course this is a pretty good idea actually, before you go to the hassle of putting it in your ceiling, check it's all working fine and just give it a quick run through. So let's do it. So what's quite handy about this is you can set it up using an Alexa or a Google Home, and you can make this your default speaker. So that device that we used to use outside the bathroom, we can now basically set up, which I'll show you in a minute. So we've got Google Home, but it'll be similar for Alexa. We can set this up to default when we turn it on and we say, hey Google, play music. It will then play it through this bathroom speaker. So I've plugged this into the wall and I'm just going to insert the power cable and then I will find it on my phone. So this, basically just a little connection under there, if you can see that. And this just goes into here, very simply. Oh, a little red light, red, blue lights, come on. So as you can see, I've now set up a default speaker through Google Home so I can play music directly to this. So now I just need to command Google to play some music and hopefully it will come out through here. Hey Google, play royalty-free music.
Royalty-free music by Workout Music, sure. Playing on Spotify.
So it's good. Should we try turning up the volume? Hey Google, volume 10. Another point actually to bear in mind is that if you don't have Alexa or Google Home, that is absolutely fine. You can do this through Bluetooth as well. So you just need your mobile phone, enable Bluetooth, and you can play music through that as well. So yeah, it depends how far you are along your smart home journey, I guess. But it's fine. You don't have to embrace any of those devices. You can just use a regular mobile phone. A little safety point actually as well. I thought there was a fire rated hood in the box. Now there isn't, but I know that they are available with these, so I'm going to send off for one because, first of all, if you're putting this into a fire rated ceiling, then you will need that. Obviously it's actually just better always to have things fire rated if you can. But also apparently it improves the quality of the sound because obviously you're then encompassing the speaker itself. It's kind of like a boom box, I suppose. And you do actually get a better overall performance from it. So it is well worth making sure you get one of those as well. I'm not sure that would really get me going in the morning. I might fall asleep, but it shows you what it's capable of. It's actually a really nice sound, and we've got so used to listening to music and listening to audio through those Google Home devices and the mini devices, and you realise that it's not great, and you've kind of lowered your standards, I suppose. So it's really nice to hear something again out of a proper speaker. We're going to love that. You won't be able to get us out of the bathroom now. So we've just got the small job of the installation. So make sure you check back because we will be posting that video very, very soon. But I hope that helped you if you're looking for the best speaker system for your bathroom. Hopefully there was some useful information in there for you. As always, if you enjoyed this video, please do give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and come back very soon. But thank you for watching. Bye-bye for now.